Hi, I literally just got this working, so I had to share it with you. I am experimenting with Mozilla's libdweb library, and I am using it to allow a JS IPFS that is running embedded in Companion to be able to discover other JS IPFSs running in Companion or Go IPFSs running on the local network via MDNS. So the awesome thing about this is that it gives you access to low-level kind of network interfaces, and it gives you access to the file system, which is something that JS IPFS running in the browser or in web extensions simply doesn't have. So what this means is that in web extensions in Companion, JS IPFS can gain access to things like it can register a protocol handler for IPFS. But what I'm using is something called Service Discovery or MDNS to discover other nodes on the network using MDNS. But there's also stuff like TCP sockets and file system access. And what I'll eventually be doing will be creating a transport so that JS IPFS is running in a web extension can not only discover each other, but they can also talk to each other over TCP and exchange files and whatnot. So anyway, what I've done is created this this module called libp2p web extension MDNS. And it's loosely based around the libp2p MDNS module. I mean, it does the same thing, but the interface to MDNS has changed. It's now the interface that libdweb provides, so it needed a different module. And all I've done is in Companion, because in JS IPFS you can choose or you can specify what modules to use for transport and discovery. I've just swapped out the discovery modules for this new web extension MDNS module. So we can see this working over here. So on this laptop, our IP address is 192.168.1.64. I should hopefully be able to start up a Firefox Nightly browser with the IPFS companion installed, with the libp2p web extension discovery module enabled. So here it is over here. All we need to do is open it up, go into the settings, and instead of using the external node, swap it out for the embedded one. So we start up a embedded JS IPFS node. And if I flick back to this tab, I should be able to hit debug and see the console. See that in the console, what should have happened is, here we go. Yes, so the web extension MDNS started. At the moment, there's no transport for over in to send stuff over. So there's no IP address or address. So what I've done for now is I'm just announcing a fake address with a fake crazy IP address made from random numbers. But that means that other people can discover me, and I can also discover other people. Yeah. So anyway, discovery started, and what happened was it found itself. So it found. I now know that because if I open this up, we've got our the fake address that we're announcing, but also in here somewhere there should be 1.64, which was the IP address I told you about over here. So that's fun, but that's only one browser. Close this up. So that's that. There we go. And then so over here, if I open this up, I've got a Ubuntu box running here. If I can get the password right. And in here, we have the same sort of thing happening. So this is in a virtual machine, but this is attached to, so instead of 64, this is on 1.109. So we'll remember that. And I should be able to use libdweb Firefox to do exactly the same thing, but on this operating system. And so open it. Oh, here it comes. There we go. Da, 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 da. And again, open it up. Give it time. Here we go. Right, into settings. Flip it over to using the embedded node. Cool. And then head back over here and hit the debug. And with any luck, we should see that we should see it discover itself, but also discover the other guy in the other browser. So here we go. So, and we're announcing a fake IP address here, 109 ending in 77. And so what happened here? So host parallels vm.local, that's me, so I found me, that's great, and I'm at 109, just like we said, that's great. And then here we go, found service, found another service, and so this is 1.64, so this is the one in the other browser. Oh my word, this is amazing. So yeah, so it also found the other browser. And if hopefully, with any luck, if I flip back to this one, he found the other guy. So that's ending in 77. It was from 109. Amazing. So there we go. They've both found each other from the browser using MDNS. Is that awesome, or is that awesome? I think it's awesome. Bye.